guests. As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto It's a Small World just below us. And, off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain.
Check and it's like, hey Ray, it's like 12. And so I looked over and I was like, oh my gosh, you just snuck that in there. You didn't like talk to me or anything. And I was like, thank you so much for the unexpected gift. She's like, you deserve it.
We're now steaming forward into the future to a land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imagined. Here you'll find rocket ships and star speeders, submarines and astroblasters, and, if we look overhead, maybe a glimpse of a Mark 7 monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere, gliding above Disneyland since 1959. Below the monorail, and us, are the fun-filled roadways of the Autopia. Drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience or license required. If you're into soaring spaceships or doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to...
Alright, folks are coming into Tomorrowland. Please simply join seats. The payment controlling. Please stop inside the seats. Right here, leaving up here. Place your stuff for the Autopia. Both on your Astro Blasters. Astro Ogres. Space Conqueror Indoor Roller Coaster. And of course, Star Tours. From your line out of your Star Wars